Hi, my name is Simak Hamid. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a default expense account on a vendor. This is not a standard feature in Business Central. However, this could be achieved using the recurring purchase lines feature. To do this, first of all, we need to set up a recurring purchase line. So let's go to search, recurring purchase lines, click new. So let's set up with a code. So I'm going to set up cleaning expenses as my default account on the vendor. So let me create code, cleaning expenses. On the type, I would select GL account. The number, I'm going to search for cleaning expenses. We could extend the description a little bit. So let's say cleaning expenses for the month of, just as a default description. This description will be populated on the purchase lines by default, but you could always change it as required. Quantity is 1. Could also set up the required dimensions. So in this case, I'm going to set up just the department dimension code as admin. Okay. Step number 2, you need to assign this recurring purchase line on the vendor. So let's go to the vendor and select the vendor. On the vendor master, you go to related purchases, recurring purchase lines, and from the drop down, you select which recurring purchase line it is. And then you need to set up what is the update type on each different types of document. So in our case, we want to set up the set it up on the purchase invoice, and I'm going to select automatic. So there are 3 options here: manual, automatic, and always ask. Manual is where you'll have to actually click a button on the on the purchase invoice for the system to populate the line. Automatic is as soon as you select the vendor on the purchase invoice, the system will just populate the line without asking anything. And always ask is as soon as you select the vendor, it will prompt for a message, and then you just need to choose whether or not to insert this line. So I'm going to select automatic, and let's go out from here. Now let's go create a new purchase invoice. So from the purchase invoice list, let's click new to create a new document and select the vendor. As soon as I select the vendor, the default account is automatically populated. You can fill in the rest of the information as any other purchase invoice. I can simply post the purchase invoice. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.